Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have several new releases to share with you guys. I temporarily lowered my free shipping requirement to $35 for US orders until we get through these hard times. I also have some free digis for you. I created this little donut and this little brownie. These two are free downloads. You can purchase the little coffee mug here for $1.50 and the large donut for $1.50. And I do have tutorials to follow along on how to color up these images. This one is coming soon, the coffee one, and I'm going to make a really cute card at the end of the series. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. Leave your feedback down below. I'd love to hear it so I could do more videos like that if you enjoyed that. So for the new releases, you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. We have several cute stamps here. So if you didn't see this one, this is the new Jessica Lynn original stamp set, and these are her gnomes. She has a video on how she drew these cute little gnomes. I just fell in love with them, so I'll be doing a series with this one, and it's called Gnome One Like You. Super cute. And today is the release date for Penguin Palace. We've got 5 really cute stamp sets. They are just adorable. This one is called Never Give Up. We've got curry sauce and your sushi. We've got the sentiments. Nothing is Kim possible. So that is that dish there. Never give up. Keep calm and curry on. Rice to the finish line. We've got a tabletop, a countertop, and some stools so you could decorate it with all the little goodies on top. And this stamp set goes nicely with that. You can use it with the countertop and stuff. And this one here is called There's No One Like You. And we've got some tea, some cappuccino, coffee beans, a little teapot, and then we've got soda. The soda in a glass, chips, there's a tray, little smiley faces, and then there's a lot of sentiments in this one. We're a matcha made in heaven, so you could turn this into matcha tea. You are the froth to my cappuccino. Without you, something is missing. You will always have. And then there's, you could put like coffee and tea or something like that. Your best tea to lean on. Your best teas to lean on. You will always have your besties to lean on. So you could put those two sentiments together. You are the bubbles to my cola. You being the best friend. So you could put the little coffee beans with that. And then in the world. This one is called My BFF. It features these cute little cats. Look at the little cats piled up. There's one in a little cart, and then one playing with a toy there. We've got a rainbow, these 2 besties there, and then 2 little rabbit besties. There's a tree, some Easter eggs, clouds, a little butterfly flower, a pile of Easter eggs up there. And those sentiments read, you are one in a melon. Best friends forever. I have your back. Happy spring, Easter. Thank you for being a great friend. Tomorrow will be a good day. Have an extra special Easter. So super cute. And then this one, the sweetest truck, looks really fun to play with. You get your ice cream truck. And then we've got the 2 kids there. You can add ice cream cones or popsicles, whatever you want, to their hands. And then we've got the little bear. He's got some sunglasses on and a purse. And then you can have the little treats sticking out of the window there. There's lots of little treats to play with. There's the little server. And then the sentiments, ice cream, sweets, donuts, summer, happy birthday, spring, happiness. Wishing you truckloads of fun, sweet surprises. You are super cool, cooler than my. And then we've got ice cream, bar, and popsicle. And then this one, last but not least, the more we get together. Really fun underwater scenes here. And then this cute little guy, you can have him on top of the water. You got your seaweed, a little rock there, and more seaweed and a jellyfish. We've got a blowfish with a little cat inside. So cute. And then the sentiments read, you have my seal of approval, wanna cuddle, you blow me away. Really cute. So that's Penguin Palace. We've got CC Designs. Look at this cutie. I'm so glad they brought back the Swiss Pixies. This is Umbrella Swissy. She comes with 2 sentiments. I'm here for you, rain or shine, and thank you for being my umbrella. And then we've got Cupcake Swissy. She's got holding a cupcake, and she is adorable. Her sentiments read, happiness is a cupcake. And then this really cute fox stamp set that is adorable. Let's see, it's called Foxes. And you get 4 different foxes. I love this one. Bouncing up like that is so cute. And then we've got this one here, looking at the little butterfly on the branch. And then this one here, you could have him flying up in the air. And then this one has got a little baby, little rabbit on top of his head sleeping. We've got sentiments, hey there Foxy, friends till the end. Thanks for being you. You make me jump for joy. May your dreams be as sweet as you. And you make me happy. And there is a coordinating die available. And let's see, this die looks like it cuts out some inner portions here. So this die here goes with this cute little guy, and it looks like it cuts out the leaves for you. So really cute set. Their dies are very inexpensive. I think this die is like $8. Can't beat that. And then I did restock the Easter paper pad by CC Designs. I thought it was super pretty. And then the new release from Miss Ink is almost sold out here. So I have a couple of each, I think. And then we've got Queen's Castle. All these stamps are like Alice in Wonderland. This is the D in Dumb. We've got the Madness. So this is a great sentiment. We're all mad here. It's kind of how we feel right now. And then we've got In the Dark. So this one says, when you can't look on the bright side, I will sit with you in the dark. Unbirthday. So a very merry unbirthday to you and happy birthday to you. And then we've got the Dodo. How you dodoing? And then this one is the Queen of Hearts. And then we've got the Painting the Roses. This one's the Forest Path. I think this one's really pretty to pair up with the little Alice right here. Have her stand in front like she is thinking about going down this path. There's the little arrows which way you want to go. And then this is the Smoking Caterpillars. Really pretty mushrooms here. You get that guy with his pipe. And then we've got the Tea Party stamp set. So you get an Alice in the chair. And then we've got the Mad Hatter. There's the rabbit. There's a table here. You can have all the little tea party accessories up there. And then this one is the Alice. So this is the one I was talking about that goes with the path. And then you've got her falling down the hole here. And then the little bunny rabbit. And there's the cat. The little drink me bottle. And then this is the sentiments. It's called Wonderland Wisdom. So you get a lot of sentiments to go with all these stamps. And then there is the face of that cat. So that is the Miss Ink new release. So it all coordinates together, which is really nice. Okay, and I am still doing a free gift with 60. So it'll be a random gift. So thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you guys are doing well and stay safe. And I will see you real soon in the next video. All the links to the products will be down below. Bye guys.